Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be talking about food defense. Food defense is a critical aspect of food safety that focuses on protecting the food supply from intentional acts of contamination, tampering, or sabotage. It involves implementing strategies and measures to prevent potential threats to the safety of the food supply chain. In the realm of food manufacturing, ensuring the security and integrity of products is of supreme importance to safeguard public health and maintain consumer trust. In this video, we talk about the concept of food defense, its significance, and the regulatory requirements that guide food manufacturing industries in maintaining a secure food supply chain. The global food supply chain is vast and complex, involving multiple stages from production to consumption. This complexity makes it susceptible to deliberate acts of contamination or tampering that can lead to serious health consequences, economic losses, and erosion of consumer confidence. Incidents of intentional contamination, such as the 2008 Chinese milk scandal and the 1984 Rajneesh bioterror attack in Oregon, highlight the potential risks to the food supply chain. The 2008 Chinese milk scandal has been one of the worst food poisoning on record. An estimated 300,000 children and infants became ill, and at least 6 died, after ingesting milk or powdered infant formula tainted with melamine. The Rajneeshis hit a total of 10 restaurants, as well as other public areas. Within hours, emergency rooms were flooded with sick patients. A total of 751 people were stricken with salmonella poisoning. Miraculously, no one died. Food defense aims to prevent, deter, and respond to such threats through a combination of risk assessment, preventive measures, and crisis management strategies. Numerous regulatory bodies around the world have established guidelines and requirements to ensure the security of the food supply chain. In the United States, the Food and Drug Administration plays a pivotal role in regulating food defense through the Food Safety Modernization Act and its intentional adulteration rule. The rule mandates that certain food facilities develop and implement a food defense plan to identify vulnerabilities, establish mitigation strategies, and track corrective actions. This plan includes elements such as personnel training, access controls, and monitoring systems. Similarly, other countries have their own regulatory frameworks addressing food defense. For instance, the European Union emphasizes food defense under its General Food Law Regulation, EC 178, 2002. The European Union member states are required to establish food safety management systems that consider potential intentional contamination incidents. The Codex Alimentarius, a collection of international food standards, guidelines, and codes of practice, also provides recommendations for food defense that serve as a foundation for many national regulations. The Global Food Safety Initiative has also incorporated food defense elements into its framework. The GFSI guidance document outlines the requirements for addressing intentional adulteration of food products, emphasizing the need for vulnerability assessments, mitigation strategies, and ongoing monitoring. This integration underscores the importance of a holistic approach to safeguarding the food supply chain, which encompasses both unintentional and intentional threats. Food manufacturers must take a comprehensive approach to food defense to mitigate risks effectively. Some key components include risk assessment. Identifying vulnerabilities in the supply chain is crucial. Manufacturers should assess their processes, materials, personnel, and facility design to identify potential weak points. Control measures. Implementing measures to prevent, deter, or minimize the impact of intentional contamination. This can include controlling access to sensitive areas, securing ingredients, and enhancing surveillance systems. Training and awareness. Educating employees about food defense protocols and raising awareness about the importance of reporting suspicious activities can significantly enhance security. Incident response plan. Developing a well-defined plan to respond to and manage potential threats, ensuring a swift and effective response to minimize harm and prevent escalation. Regular audits and reviews. Conducting regular assessments and audits to identify evolving risks and to ensure that food defense measures remain effective and up-to-date. While regulatory frameworks and industry practices have evolved to address food defense, challenges persist. The dynamic nature of threats, advancements in technology, and the globalization of the food supply chain require ongoing vigilance and adaptability. Manufacturers need to stay informed about emerging risks and innovative solutions, and regulatory bodies must continue to update and refine their guidelines based on evolving threat landscapes. In conclusion, food defense is an essential aspect of food safety, focusing on safeguarding the food supply chain from intentional acts of contamination or tampering. Regulatory requirements in various countries provide a framework for food manufacturers to develop comprehensive food defense strategies. These strategies encompass risk assessment, control measures, training, incident response planning, and continuous improvement. In a rapidly changing world, maintaining the security and integrity of the food supply chain remains a collective responsibility, involving collaboration among governments, regulatory agencies, manufacturers, and consumers. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming content. We wish you all the best and hope to see you again soon.